To create a prepaid in-house membership, again, we will go to the client information page of whichever client we want to create that membership for, and just click on this new membership/plans button. Right in our membership type, we're going to see prepaid in-house. Now, prepaid in-house, if I was to hover over, it says collecting upfront prepaid payment in-house without entering finance data in the software. So you're collecting cash, or a gift card, whatever the situation may be, you're collecting that in-house without having to enter their finance data. So we don't need to get their credit card or their bank account information to enter into our database here. Right, so we're just going to choose prepaid in-house, and you see payment method has changed to whichever option we want to use. So let's say cash, right? And this person, let's say, has a 1-year membership starting May 25th until May 25th next year, right? So let's say they are paying us $925 for 1-year membership, with 13% tax, and I'm going to just check off the include tax. So this is the total amount they're paying you, right, for a prepaid in-house membership, right? And if you see, billing period here is showing up as a one-time payment, right, in this amount. And if we want, we can send them the invoice right here by checking off this box. So if I was to check off the send invoice box, and an invoice will be emailed out to joesmith@gmail.com. However, we're just going to create this membership as a prepaid in-house right now. And you see the account status is showing up as an active membership. It's showing you the expiry date of May 25, 2021 for next year, right? Scrolling down to view this membership now. You see it's a prepaid in-house membership, and this is the amount the client has paid you. Their billing date is starting today until next year, right? To view this membership, now remember, any kind of in-house memberships do not show transactions, right? It will just show you the billing information as a prepaid membership for this amount, this much tax, and this is the total amount that the client was charged, but they paid you in-house, so there's no transactions being created. So any in-house membership, again, please remember that you're collecting the payment in-house.